In case if you are trying to open an application in your iPhone and you see that the application automatically closes as soon as you try to open the app, that means the app is crashing in your iPhone. So in this video today, we will see some ways by which we can try to fix this issue. Now if this is the first time the app is crashing in your iPhone, then restart the iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the issue. Now the next thing what you need to do is you need to check if there is space left in your iPhone or not. Every application needs a certain amount of space to run in your iPhone. So go to settings, then you need to go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then let us wait for a few seconds. Now if you see right in my iPhone, out of 64 GB I have used 23.2 GB only. That means I have enough space to run the applications. So you also need to make sure that you have enough space. If not, then you need to delete unnecessary documents from your iPhone and make space so that application can run smoothly. Now the next thing what you have to do is you have to check if there is an update for the application. So for that one, what you do, go to App Store here. And suppose if YouTube is crashing in my iPhone, what I will do, I will look for YouTube app in the App Store, and if you see here, right now I have an update which is there for my YouTube application. So you need to tap on this update and then update the application. So once the application is updated, check if you can open the application smoothly or not. Also what you can do is you can delete the application and then reinstall it again and check if this fixes the issue or not. Now the last thing what you need to do is you need to see if there is an update for the iOS version present in your device or not. Sometimes there may be a bug which is causing the issue. So in that case you need to look if there is an update for the iOS and then update it so that the issue can be resolved. So if you want to check, go to settings here, go to general, go to software update. The device will automatically check if there is a new iOS version. If there is, you need to download and install this iOS version and then see if this will fix this issue. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found this helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.